Good morning, students. Today's topic is multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational numbers. Let's start with multiplication of rational numbers. Suppose if we have two rational numbers a by b and c by d, you have to find the product of two rational numbers. How can we multiply these two rational numbers? Or you can say how can we find the product of these two rational numbers? Multiply the numerator with numerator of rational numbers and multiply the denominator of first rational number with the denominator of second rational numbers. B multiply by D. In this way, you can find the product of two rational numbers. Let's take question number 1. 3 by 2 multiply by minus 9. How can we find the product? Minus 9 can also be written as minus 9 by 1. Now, multiply the numerator with numerator. 3 multiply by minus 9 and multiply the denominator with denominator. 2 multiply by 1. We get 3 nines are 27 and put sign minus. Plus minus minus. So, put sign here minus. 2 ones are 2. Our answer is minus 27 by 2. Let's take another question. Minus 6 by 5 multiply by 9 by 11. It is one rational number and it is another rational number. You have to find the product of these two rational numbers. How can we find the product? Multiply the numerator of first rational number with another numerator of another rational numbers. Minus 6 multiply by 9 and multiply the denominator with denominator 5 multiply by 11. In this way we will get 6 nines are 54 plus minus minus, so put sign here minus. 11 fives are 55. In this way we will get our answer minus 54 by 64. Let's take another question. Minus 6 by 7 multiply by 5 by 7. You have to find the product of two rational numbers, first rational number and second rational number. Multiply the numerator with numerator. Minus 6 multiply by 5 and multiply the denominator with denominator. 7 multiply by 7. 6 fives are 30 plus minus minus, here sign is minus, so put sign here minus. 7 sevens are 49. In this way you can find the product of two rational numbers. Now next topic is division of rational numbers. Division of two rational numbers. Before we start this topic, you all need to learn what is multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? And multiplicative inverse is also called the reciprocal of a rational number. Multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal of rational number. How can we find multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is the reverse of a rational number. If we have 3 by 4, how can we find the multiplicative inverse of this rational number? We reverse this number. Numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. We reverse this number. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Or you can say if the product of two rational numbers, if the product of two rational number is equals to 1, if the product of two rational numbers is equals to 1, then A by B is multiplicative inverse of C by D and C by D is multiplicative inverse of A by B. You can say one rational number is multiplicative inverse of another rational number, and the another rational number is multiplicative inverse of first rational number. If the product of two rational number is equals to 1, then you can say one number is the multiplicative inverse of the another number. Suppose you have a rational number minus 4 by 5. What is the reciprocal of this number? Or you can say what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 4 by 5? Multiplicative inverse of this number is 5 divided by minus 4. Multiplicative inverse is obtained by reversing the number. You can see minus 4 is the numerator in rational number. It becomes denominator, and 5 is denominator. It becomes the numerator. Now, if we find the product of these two rational number, minus 4 by 5 multiply by 5 divided by minus 4. Minus 4 is cancel out with minus 4. 5 is cancel out with 5. We get 1. You can say product of two rational number is equals to 1. Then one number is known as the multiplicative inverse of another number. Here 5 divided by minus 4 is multiplicative inverse of minus 4 by 5. In this way you can find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a rational number. Now question number 2 of exercise 9.5 is you have to find the quotient minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Here you have to find the division of two rational number. How can we find the division of two rational number? Suppose we have two rational numbers a by b and c by d. You have to find the division of these two rational numbers. How can we find? Product of first rational number with the reciprocal of the second rational number, we can find the quotient. Multiplication of first rational number and the reciprocal of the second rational number. Here d by c is the reciprocal of c by d. Now, how can we find the product? Multiplication of numerators and the multiplication of denominators. Now, this one is the quotient of this rational number. For division of two rational number, first condition is divisor should be non-zero. Divisor should be non-zero. Divisor should be non-zero. Here, you have to find minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. It is a divisor. Divisor is not equals to 0. First condition is satisfied. Now, how can we find the product? How can we find the division? Minus 2 by 13 product of first rational number with the reciprocal of the second rational number. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 7? 7 by 1. Here 7 is multiplicative inverse of Here 7 is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 7. Now, multiplication of numerators minus 2 multiplied by 7 and multiplication of denominators 13 multiplied by 1. 2 sevens are 14 plus minus minus, so put sign here minus. 13 ones are 13. Now, minus 14 by 13 is our answer. Let's take another question. You have to find the reciprocal of 2 by 11 divided by minus 5 divided by 55. Now you have to find the reciprocal of this number. Means here sign is division. Means you have to find the quotient of this number. How can we find the quotient? Product of first rational number with the reciprocal of the second number. What is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 55 is? 55 divided by minus 5. Here 55 divided by minus 5 is multiplicative inverse of, or you can say reciprocal of minus 5 by 55. Now 5 is cancelled out with 55, 11. 11 is cancelled out with 11. We get 2 divided by minus 1, or you can say minus 2. You can say minus 2. Now you have to find the reciprocal of this number. How can we find the reciprocal of this number? If we reverse this number, denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. We can find the reciprocal of this number. 2 divided by minus 1. What is the reciprocal of this number? Reciprocal of 2 by minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is our answer. In this way, you can solve division of two rational numbers and you have to find the reciprocal of the numbers. Let's take another question. Here, x is given to you 1 by 10 and y is given to you minus 3 by 8. You have to find x multiplied by y. What is the value of x? 1 by 10. What is the value of y? Minus 3 by 8. You have to find the multiplication of two rational numbers. How can we find the multiplication of two rational numbers? Multiplication of numerators and the multiplication of denominators. Minus 3 divided by 18. In this way, you can find the multiplication of two rational numbers. If you have to find y divided by x, how can we find y divided by x? What is the value of y? Minus 3 by 8 divided by x, 1 by 10. How can we find the division of two rational number? Product of first rational number with the reciprocal of the second number. Here 10 by 1 is the reciprocal of the 1 by 10. Now 10 and 8 comes on two table. So 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. It becomes minus 3 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 1. We get minus 15 divided by 4. That is our answer. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.